become flesh once again with the foundation of the Society of the Divine Word, SVD. Though the political chaos of Kulturkampf prowled all around, yet the vision of a religious missionary congregation found a strong ground. Though the decision to found a congregation was perceived as foolishness, yet the wisdom of the word was to birth missionaries with zest. Though Arnold Janssen was not termed a person fitting to be a founder, yet his love for the word impelled him to be a profounder.
संत आर्नोल्ड जैनसन का जन्म 5 नवंबर 1837 को राइन नदी के तट पर बसे एक गांव गोख, जर्मनी में हुआ था। उनके माता पिता जेराल्ड और अन्ना कैथरीना थे। संत आर्नोल्ड जैनसन के साथ वे 11 भाई बहन थे। उनमें से 3 बाल्य अवस्था में ही प्रभु में लीन हो गए, यानी इस संसार से चल बसे थे। संत आर्नोल्ड जैनसन संतानों में सबसे बड़े थे। उनके 5 भाई और 2 बहनें थीं। उनके पिताजी गरीब किसान थे। खेती से परिवार का भरण पोषण न होने पर वे माल ढोकर परिवार का गुजारा चलाते थे। उनकी माँ खेतों में परिश्रम करती थी, पति का हाथ बटाती थी और घर का काम करती थी। संत आर्नोल्ड के माता पिता बड़े ही श्रद्धालु और सरल स्वभाव के व्यक्ति थे। वे मां मरियम के सच्चे भक्त थे, त्रिएक परमेश्वर का सम्मान करते थे, पवित्र आत्मा पर बहुत ही भरोसा रखते थे। विशेषकर दुख संकट की घड़ी में उनका मार्गदर्शन खोजते थे। दोस्तों, आधुनिक परिवारों में धर्म शिक्षा देने में माता पिताओं ने ढिलाई कर दी है। वे व्यक्तिगत स्वतंत्रता की बात करते हैं, लेकिन संत आर्नोल्ड जैनसन की जीवनी से हमें बहुत बड़ी सीख मिलती है। उनके पिताजी जेराल्ड अपने बच्चों से भोजन के दौरान रविवारीय उपदेश पूछते थे। सही जवाब नहीं देने पर उचित सजा भी देते थे। संध्या प्रार्थना के समय पवित्र रोजरी माला के बाद प्रभु वचन का पठन किया जाता था। संत आर्नोल्ड जैनसन के पिताजी को संत योहन के सुसमाचार के पहले अध्याय की प्रारंभिक वचन संख्याएं स्मरण थी। इन वचन पंक्तियों का परिवार में बड़े आदर सम्मान से पठन किया जाता था। प्रभु वचन के प्रति श्रद्धा और आदर सम्मान का परिणाम संत आर्नोल्ड जैनसन खुद थे। संत आर्नोल्ड जैनसन भी प्रभु वचन के भक्त और दीवाने थे। आगे चलकर उन्होंने प्रभु वचन के नाम पर ही पुरोहित भाइयों की संस्था का नाम दिव्य शब्द संघ रखा, जो संस्था एसवीडी के नाम से जानी जाती है।
Societas Verbi Divini, generally known as SVD or Divine Word Missionaries, had its beginning with Father Arnold Janssen in a small village called Stijl in Holland in the year 1875.
(1875), a year that marked the beginning of a new missionary era, when in May 1875, amidst political turmoil, cultural instability and financial constraints, St. Arnold Janssen, a simple diocesan priest, impelled by love for the word divine, acclaimed, "Above all, may the divine word come to our aid." On June 16, 1875, on the 200th anniversary of the apparition of the Sacred Heart to Saint Margaret Mary, he bought the first plot of land in Stijl, Netherlands, and consecrated himself with his followers with the following words: "I will be the slave of the divine word and consecrate myself to the service of the King and Queen of the angels." In August 1875, in the first draft of his statutes, he wrote, "Among the three divine persons, we shall show special honor to the divine word." The draft of the first statutes opened with this statement: "Our general aim is to serve God and our neighbor by making the Blessed Trinity more widely known and loved." The new and modest mission seminary was founded and dedicated on the feast of the Nativity of Our Lady on September 8, 1875. This day, in his homily, St. Arnold Janssen exclaimed, "This is the beginning of a holy undertaking dedicated to God, which, even if it achieves only half of its objectives, cannot help but be a source of salvation and blessing for thousands of people."
Indeed, it was a great milestone in the life and mission of the Church in India that the Congregation for the Propagation of Faith had 110,000 square kilometers of area allotted from the missions of Ajmer, Allahabad and Nagpur for the formation of the Indore mission in 1931. In 1932, a group of dynamic and committed missionaries led by Father Peter Jansa came to Indore. In 1936, with the growing number of SVD missionaries, Superior General Joseph Grendel made Indore a region.
Today, SVDs as word-inspired missionaries work in 84 countries with 59 provinces, missions, regions, with 4,657 finally professed members, with 1,003 members in temporary vows and 356 novices. An international and multicultural family, synergistically striving to be a living symbol of the unity and diversity of the Church, making goodness, kindness and mercy of God visible in life and service, translating the vision of the founder into a pulsating reality through pastoral work, education, biblical apostolate, communication, justice, peace and integrity of creation, and other specialized ministries with the true spirit of prophetic dialogue and interculturality, crossing boundaries, adapting to situations, witnessing God's love and radiating the light of the Word at the center and at the periphery, to the least, the last, marching ahead as ambassadors, founded on the Word and impelled by the love of Christ. Missionaries rooted in the Word, committed to His mission.
Witnessing to the light of Christ from everywhere for everyone, by being faithful and becoming creative in a wounded world. As we inaugurate the sesquicentennial jubilee of our foundation on September 8th, 2024, it's right to recall the spiritual jewel of the SVDs, the Quarter Hour Prayer.
Jubilate, everybody, serve the Lord in a wounded world. We thank Trine God for the gift of St. Arnold Janssen, our founder leader.
SVD missionaries spreading the